when you have a YouTube channel, there are a few things which are very, very crucial. Number one, we usually talk about the video itself. Can people be able to see you? Like lighting, do you do outdoor videos or indoor videos? But overall, the lighting. The number two, which is a very big and the most important one, is the audio of the video. Are people able to hear you well? Why is that? Over 85 to 90% of people who are watching videos on YouTube are using cell phone or tablets. And fewer are using a TV. And a smaller percent, they can use the computer. But majority, exception of the TV, majority of people are wearing the headphone when they want to watch videos on YouTube. For that particular case, audio plays a very vital role. When you are wearing the headphone, you can hear very, very clear. Just close your eyes and try to hear. So if you have a very bad audio, no matter how much the content is good, someone will be turn it off and continue with other things. So that is the reason usually we see many people are trying to upgrade when it comes to the audio. I usually use the normal microphone. I use lapel microphone, the one you wear here sometimes. But when I'm at home, I'm inside the house, I don't need to wear that one here. That one I usually sometimes use when I'm outside. So for instance, right now, the microphone I'm using is the one which is here. So I usually put somewhere down here. You don't need to see it for that particular case. So it's just in front of me. I don't want to turn it somewhere here because I can do that, but sometimes I have to find a way to tie and I have to stick in one place. But putting the putting microphone in front of me, I can put on the tripod and move whatever I want, and I can make the videos from home. On the computer, I have another type of like podcast type of microphone, which is that one. My first microphone to be expensive, it was almost $35, but I usually don't use that expensive microphone. My microphone have been $15. The maximum was $50 or whatever, 30, whatever, mostly like $50, like the one I'm using right now. So today, I decided I'm going further because I said in 2022, I'm going to upgrade more. I'm going to have more high quality videos. So I bought the lights, I bought some other few things. So here I'm going to do some opening of one of the microphone, which I'm going to use. So let me open and share with you what type of microphone and how much it is this microphone and why did I buy this microphone. So anybody who uses YouTube or have YouTube videos and they try to buy any type of microphone, you know, one among the best microphone for the one you plug on the phone is Rode microphone. So this is a lightweight on camera Rode microphone you can put on top of the microphone. But I purchased a very long cord. So this I will try to use this one. So there is a long wire. I don't know whether it will be compatible with the Rode, but if it's not, I will go and get another one. They have the extent, so I can put it very far away. So this one is about 12 feet away. I can be away, so I don't need to shout while the microphone is far from where I am. So this is the Rode microphone, which I will be able to use as my new upgrade. So the time when I want to start using this one, I will let you know, and you will, that this is the video I'm using the new microphone, and I believe you will be able to let me know if the audio quality has been better or not. So I used to use back in the day at one time. So you see the wire is is not that too long. That's why I have external. I decided to get the other long one. So I don't know whether it will be compatible with the one I got. So this is the new Rode microphone, which I'll be able to use in that way. So this one is about $79. This one, I believe, obviously it's better than the one I'm using. No matter what, there is no question about it. So I will see how things will be able to turn around using this one on one point. But so I will try to fix it, to put it closer with me, not to put it that too far away. So that is the microphone I'll be using in that way. Someone also asked me what type of memory card you are using. I know. So I used some other memory card, but this one is the one I'm using. So it's 256 gigabytes GB. So I have like 8 of these one. So like right now I bought like 2. I haven't been deleting my videos. I'm recording them, then I move to external hard drive just in case if I want to use them later for whatever project I want. So I'm trying to save them at that point. So at least I need to have empty 2. So this one is the one which is right now is there recording. So when I'm recording, just in case, so I'm recording maybe 5, whatever number of videos, and then when I'm starting maybe to transfer there, while is it transferring or uploading, I'm going to start using another memory card to start recording over and over. So that is what I want to share with you today. Just a quick upgrade on my audio part. Why it is very, very important. You don't need to have $100 microphone. Depending on if you are starting new, you can use, if you are using a phone, you can use what is inside built in the phone. That will be okay for you to start with. But the more you keep upgrading, you can start with the lapel microphone or a microphone of $15, $20. Anything is better than nothing, but you have to keep improving with time and see how things will be able to be better with you. So don't start, oh, in the year 2022, I'm going to grow my YouTube channel. I'm going to do this one. But don't forget that there is aspect of the quality of the audio, the quality of the video itself, and the lighting of the video. Those are very important, because if someone, the first 15 seconds cannot be able to hear you because of the background noise, or the video, the audio is so crazy, whatever, that makes many people to run away because they are wearing headphones. It will be upsetting for many of them. So thank you. And I believe when you are going to start your YouTube channel, or you keep improving, it will make everything better on your end. Okay, I want you to test this brand new microphone to see if it will be able to work. I'm using video mic made in Australia, Rode microphone, but I'm using different cord because I have this cord. I want to see if the other cord will be able to work. If it is going to work and the microphone is be better, I'll be happy to see. Microphone test, 1 2 1 2, EBM out.